I, Aditya Kumar Mishra of CP01 Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing Department from batch 2021 to 2024. NTTF has given us various golden opportunity in extracurricular activities like QC, MOC, sports, etc. I have recently placed in Schneider. NTTF at Aditya Technical Education Center has given me golden opportunity to improve myself with a company like Schneider. There were only one round includes technical and HR in which shortlisted 19 trainees out of 44. I got selected in very big company like Schneider. I have answered all the questions without any hesitation. I would like to thank NTTF management and I would also like to thank honorable our teachers and my colleagues. Thank you.